it as a little glimpse of what you can do if you're at a crossroads in life, like you've maybe been laid off recently or you're just tired of your current employment situation. Hello, Recruiter Preston here. Welcome to another video. I could spend hours talking about recruiting and how to get started with your own recruiting business and how to make it in the industry, but for today, I want to try something else and explore some interesting career opportunities and potential side hustles you can do right now. Oftentimes, these can begin as simple side projects or even hobbies, usually while you have a full-time job, but given enough time and effort, they can evolve into something really special. I tried to list ones here that I thought would cover a variety of different fields and spaces as opposed to the tech-heavy slant we usually feature on the channel. This list isn't exhaustive, and I can guarantee that I definitely missed some things that people would want to see. But think of it as a little glimpse of what you can do if you're at a crossroads in life, like you've maybe been laid off recently or you're just tired of your current employment situation. So let's get started. Tutor. Becoming a tutor can honestly be a fulfilling and lucrative career for individuals who possess in-depth knowledge of a particular subject. Don't be shy. Even if you don't feel like the top experts in the world, your knowledge can definitely be valuable to the right people. You just need to find your audience. Tutoring can be a highly rewarding way to help students struggling with academic coursework, and there are various avenues available for individuals who wish to embark on this path, like online job boards, social media, word of mouth, or even with organizations. To become a tutor, no formal certification is required, but it is essential to have a strong command over the subject matter. Tutors are often expected to have a college degree in the subject that they will be teaching. Having a degree can provide credibility and assure potential students and their parents that you have a comprehensive understanding of the subject. This isn't a hard and fast rule, especially if you're teaching something that's more in the creative field, but it never hurts. Tutors can choose to teach either in person or online, depending on their preferences and availabilities. Teaching online can also expand your potential clientele to a wider geographical area. However, it is important to invest in appropriate tools and software to facilitate effective teaching and interaction with online students. Popular tools for online tutoring includes Canvas and Blackboard, which allow for real-time interaction, document sharing, and virtual whiteboarding. So like we mentioned, to gain clients, tutors have the option of marketing themselves through various channels such as social media or word-of-mouth referrals. Alternatively, they choose to join an established tutoring platform such as Buff Tutor, which can connect them to potential students. By joining a platform, tutors can benefit from established branding and marketing efforts while also being able to set their own hours and rates. Becoming a tutor can honestly be a rewarding and lucrative career path for individuals with a passion for teaching and expertise in a particular subject. With the availability of various teaching tools and platforms, tutors can choose the most appropriate avenue to reach their potential clientele and make a positive impact on the academic lives of their students. Just be aware that with anything in the beginning, it's probably not going to take off right away, so patience is key with this one. Oh, it almost goes without saying, but you probably should actually enjoy teaching. Online reselling. So for those who have a passion for fashion and sales, starting an online reseller business can be really exciting and a profitable venture. While it may require time, dedication, and a keen eye for fashion trends, starting a reselling business can begin as a side hustle and eventually become a full-time source of income. With the increasing popularity of online marketplaces such as Poshmark and Mercari, it has become easier than ever to start a reselling business with minimal upfront costs. One approach to starting a reselling business is to begin by selling unwanted clothing and items on an established online store such as Poshmark or Mercari. This will allow entrepreneurs to build a clientele in online selling without investing in their own website. With time, they can consider expanding their businesses by creating their own resale website or selling on other platforms. Another strategy for building inventory and increasing profits is to explore estate sales and flea markets. These places can be treasure troves for hidden gems at low prices. By carefully curating inventory, entrepreneurs can create a unique product mix that differentiates their business from competitors. Additionally, this approach can allow for a larger profit margin since the cost of acquiring inventory can be quite low. To be successful in the reselling industry, it is really important to stay current with fashion trends and understand the demands for certain products. Entrepreneurs must be willing to invest time and effort into building their brand, connecting with customers, and delivering quality customer service. With the right approach, dedication, and a strong work ethic, an online reselling business can really become lucrative and fulfilling career option. I focused on clothes for this category because it's usually the most popular choice, but really you can do this with almost anything. Collectibles, baseball cards, car parts, you name it. The possibilities are only limited by your imagination. Bookkeeping. If you possess strong numerical skills and a keen eye for detail, starting a bookkeeping business can be really a viable career path. As a bookkeeper, you provide services to small businesses that require assistance with managing their financial records, preparing payroll, and gathering data for tax purposes. However, before starting this path, it's really important to possess excellent excellent organizational skills and a thorough understanding of the liabilities that come with managing someone else's finances. One of the essential steps to consider when starting a bookkeeping business is first to form a limited liability company, also known as LLC. Forming an LLC can really help protect your personal assets in the event of any legal disputes. This is because an LLC is considered a separate legal entity, and any liability incurred by the business remains separate from your personal finances. While no specific certification is required to become a bookkeeper, obtaining credentials such as QuickBooks bookkeeping certification can provide added benefits. QuickBooks is a widely used accounting software, and obtaining certification can demonstrate proficiency in using the software, which can be an advantage in the industry. Additionally, certification can also increase clients' confidence in your ability to handle their financial records, potentially leading to increased business. But it's important to note that obtaining the QuickBooks bookkeeping certification may come at a cost. The certification fee can be as high as $450, which is a significant investment for individuals starting a business. It's super essential to weigh the benefits against the cost and determine if obtaining the certification is worth it for your business. Starting a bookkeeping business can be a profitable and fulfilling career option for individuals with a strong aptitude for numbers and attention to detail. By forming an LLC, obtaining certification, and providing excellent services to clients, entrepreneurs can establish themselves in the industry and build a successful bookkeeping business. And best of all, if it takes off, guess what? You can hire more and more bookkeepers to work under you and build a serious company. Online teaching. At first glance, this might sound and look like tutoring, but trust me, it's different. In the past few years, we've seen an explosion of online courses covering all different types of topics. The increasing demand for online education has created an exciting opportunity for entrepreneurs looking to enter the digital landscape. Unlike traditional brick-and-mortar businesses, online ventures can offer services to a global audience from any location. As an entrepreneur looking to capitalize on this trend, you can leverage your expertise and knowledge to teach a course in any subject of your choice. Whether you're an expert in finance, marketing, or any other field, you can create a course and share your knowledge with individuals from all around the world. This allows you to break through geographical barriers and even connect with a broader audience. Additionally, it provides the flexibility to structure your course in a way that suits your schedule and allowing you to balance your personal and professional commitments. In case you do not have advanced knowledge in any particular subject, consider teaching English as a foreign language online to students overseas. English is a widely spoken language worldwide, and there is a growing demand for native English speakers to teach a language to non-native speakers. As an English teacher, you can work with students from different countries, cultures, and backgrounds, offering a unique experience that can be enriching for both you and your students. Teaching English online also provides an opportunity to develop new skills such as lesson planning, curriculum development, and time management. Moreover, teaching English as a foreign language can be a rewarding experience as you help students improve their language skills, which can be a significant impact on their personal and professional lives. It's no secret that the demand for online education has really created a wealth of opportunities for entrepreneurs. By leveraging your expertise or teaching English as a foreign language, you can establish an online teaching business and connect with a global audience. With the right strategy and approach, an online teaching business can be a rewarding and profitable business that offers flexibility, personal growth, and the satisfaction of making a difference in students' lives. Consulting. If you have a deep understanding and passion for a particular subject, such as business, social media, marketing, human resources, leadership, or communication, you may be well suited to start a consulting business. Consulting is an excellent opportunity for individuals who possess specialized knowledge and skills to share their expertise with others and really help them achieve their goals. Starting a consulting business can be a tricky but very lucrative venture. As a consultant, you can offer your services to individuals and startups, small businesses, or even large corporations, depending on your area of expertise. You can establish a reputation as a trusted advisor who can really help clients overcome their challenges and achieve their objectives. To start a consulting business, you need to have a clear understanding of your target market and identify the problems that your clients are facing. You should also have a really good understanding of the industry trends and best practices to stay ahead of the competition. It's really essential to have a solid business plan, including your value proposition, pricing strategy, and marketing plan. Hopefully, as your consulting business grows, you can expand your services, hire other consultants to work with you. This can really help you to leverage your time and expertise while also increasing your revenue potential. You can create a team of experts who can offer a diverse range of services and cater to a broader clientele. Though seemingly daunting at first, starting a consulting business can be an exciting and rewarding opportunity, really for individuals with specialized knowledge and expertise in a particular subject. With the right strategy and approach, you can really establish yourself as a trusted advisor and build a successful consulting business that can really help provide financial freedom and personal satisfaction. Resume writing. Job seekers are constantly on the lookout for ways to make their job applications stand out from the competition. Whether they want to switch careers, increase their pay, or move to a different work environment, a compelling resume is often the first step in the job search process. This is where a resume writer comes in. A resume writer is a professional who can help job applicants create well-written and visually appealing resumes, cover letters, and portfolios that really showcase and sells their skills, experiences, and accomplishments. By working with a resume writer, job seekers can really improve their chances of landing their dream job by presenting themselves as strong candidates to potential employers. To become a successful resume writer, you don't really need any special schooling or certification. However, you should have a strong command of the English language, as well as excellent writing, proofreading, and organizational skills. You should also be familiar with the latest resume writing trends, including the use of keywords and the importance of tailoring resumes to specific job postings. As a resume writer, you'll work closely with your clients to gather information about their work history, education, and professional goals. You'll use this information to really craft a customized resume that highlights their strengths and accomplishments while also addressing any potential weaknesses or gaps in their experience. In addition to resumes, you can also help your clients create cover letters and portfolios and showcase their work and demonstrate their value to potential employers. Especially with the recent mass layoffs and new job seekers, being a resume writer can be a very fulfilling and lucrative career choice for people with strong writing and organizational skills. By helping job seekers present themselves in the best possible light, you can really make a difference in their lives and careers while building a successful business of your own. Well, that's about it. What did you think? Did I miss any jobs or career choices you think belong on a list? Make sure you comment down below. If you like this video and want to see more like it, feel free to like, subscribe, click that bell. It really means a lot. Also, feel free to follow me as I try my best to post behind the scenes content daily. Thank you so much again, and we'll see you on the next one.